Namaskar. I cared for this talk very much, and I almost created 5 different openings. But this is the 6th version that you will be seeing. So let us start this with a question. What is the bestest thing that your teachers ever told you? Discipline. Okay. Mine told me that this will not be coming in exams. So that was the cue that I stopped studying. But whatever that doesn't come in exam, it comes in real life. I often describe myself as an entrepreneur and a teacher by choice. And over the years, I've been to different segments, be it banking, edutech, defense innovation, and social entrepreneurship. But trust me, my story did not really start in any of these. It started in a very ordinary way, the boy who really did not care much about anything. So till 7th standard, my relationship with my studies was very simple. It existed and I existed. So when I was in 10th, I thought that I should be trying something else. I became curious towards mathematics and science, to be very specific, physics. Then, that was the phase transformation that had happened from carelessness to care. So when I was in 10th, I heard about IITs for the first time. Back then, having an active internet connection was also challenging. And I am also from a remote location. मैं सिरोही से हूँ, तो इंटरनेट स्पीड तो छोड़ ही दो आप, और एडुटेक तो उस समय आए भी नहीं थे. So there was only one name everybody knew. It was Kota, Rajasthan. So along with my friends, we packed our bags and we went to Kota, Rajasthan. And I took admission in one of the finest engineering entrance exam preparation institute of those days. The batch that got allocated to me, it was below average. But I did not find that, uncomfortable. क्योंकि ना तो वो बैच मेरी डेस्टिनी डिसाइड कर रहा है, ना ही डेस्टिनेशन. So, and there were few teachers who were from IITs. Somehow I managed. So 8th से 12th के अंदर I was the topper throughout. So when for the first time I entered in those classrooms, I entered it with a different attitude कि मैं topper हूँ, मेरे से तो निकल जाएगा. And then I walked out with a different attitude. Because when I sat for 5 hours, I attended different lectures, I came to know that this is far beyond my expectations. I immediately gave a call to my mother कि मम्मी कोठा में ही रहना है या वापस आ जाऊँ, because this is something that is not the cup of my tea. Then she gave a very beautiful advice कि you should follow the power of consistency. अब मैंने कहा कहाँ power of consistency follow करे, few people could solve problems faster than I could ever read them. And this realization literally grounded me. And I came to know that grabbing information and processing knowledge, these are 2 different things. तो क्या करें, हाथ उठाते हैं, पीछे देखते हैं तो 40-50 बच्चे पहले ही हाथ खड़ा करके रखे हुए हैं. जब टीचर क्वेश्चन को लिख रहा है बोर्ड पे, तो ये लोअर बैच का हाल था. तो यू इमेजिन अपर बैच के हाल क्या होंगे. तो somehow I followed her advice, and that came into my discipline. So initially, if I was sitting for, let us say, 2 hours, I started increasing it for 3 hours, and then it extended to 4 hours. So that was something that got embedded, and it was in my discipline. After years of hard work, कड़ी लगन मेहनत के बाद में, when I finally walked inside IIT Jodhpur, I came to know that IITs are not about marks, they are about mindset. अब ये भी कंटेक्स्ट से बाहर था मेरे, क्योंकि I was the only one below average. तो स्टार्टिंग में it was very intimidating that many of the people, they were very sharper, faster, intelligent and innovative. But then I stopped comparing me with them. I started learning with them, and I started learning along with them, right? So that is something that shift happened, and I stopped everything there itself. That's when creation came into picture. Because I obviously feel that people, they often tend to compare themselves with Sharma ji ka ladka. वो शर्मा जी का लड़का मैं ही हूँ. तो जब मैंने स्टॉप कर दिया है दूसरों से कंपेयर करना, तो दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट आई वांटेड टू गिव, दैट यू शुड आल्सो बी स्टॉप कंपेयरिंग योरसेल्फ विद अदर्स. इफ यू रियली वांट टू कंपेयर, you compare it with you, what you were yesterday, what you are today, and what you will be in near future. Did you add any positive value to it or not? Right? So years later I started my journey with banking. There I learned about transaction banking, trade forex, and whatnot. After that I went to edutech. There I came to know that technology, if blended with education, can actually cover a very vast audience, and it can actually cover the grassroots levels of India. After that, from there on, I went to an INI, Institute of National Importance. I was into defense innovation, so I did handle multiple confidential projects. So we skip this part because I am not authorized. And from there, I was appointed as the youngest director in a Section 8 group of companies of a private university in Rajasthan. There I integrated entrepreneurship with academics. And I guess I did handle nearly about 11 such startups. So last time in an event when we actually met, I got to know that 6 of them, they were able to attain their break even. Break even क्या होता है कि जो उनकी लागत लगी है धंधा बनाने में वो उनने कवर कर ली पूरी. Now it will be in profitable phase. And from there on, I co-founded a company back in August 2025. It is a financial consultancy, and today, me along with my co-founder, we are successfully managing an AUM of 8.62 crores. And we are also planning to have an integration of other automations. So this is something that is the trajectory, that it is decided. So over all these years and the domains that I have been into, there was one thing which was common: the drive to create something meaningful and the care to do it responsibly. So if you ask me what exactly this care to creation mean to me, it is the trajectory that I followed. It is the reflection of the path that I actually traversed. Care is not actually a weakness. It is the courage. So when life pulls you down, courage is needed. Every time you will not be having a linear function. It will not be y equals x, that's it. It will be sinusoidal, waves की तरह से होगा, crashed और troughs होंगे. So that is something that is needed. And don't underestimate how care shapes your child's journey, because only a little spark is needed to have a beautiful sky shot. And if this generation learns to have an equilibrium between care and creation, then we will not only be creating companies, we will be creating a platform that will help the other generations or the coming generations to create wonders. So if you consider care as a seed, then creation is the ultimate fruit.